Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop location tracking from sites on your Firefox, Chrome and Edge browser. How to stop location tracking from sites on your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you are using my Mozilla Firefox browser and want to stop sites from tracking your location, then here are the process. Open Firefox browser and click on three horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter, from the left side menu, you will find the option privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter, scroll down and look for the option cookies and site data. Go to permissions. Here you will find the option location. Click on settings and block new requests asking to access your location. Make the check against this option and click on save changes. In future, if you want to enable this feature, again go to settings and uncheck this feature and click on save changes. How to stop location tracking from sites on your Google Chrome browser. If you want to restrict your location tracking from any sites on your Chrome browser, then here are the process. Open your Google Chrome browser and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner and here choose settings. After applying these settings, no sites can track your location. Click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Here scroll down and look for the option site settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and under permissions you will find the option location. Click on it and under default behavior you will find don't allow sites to see your location. Make the check against this option. After enabling this feature, no sites can track your location on your Google Chrome browser. So, not allowed site already added from here. No sites added. Allowed to see your location. If you want to add any particular sites to see your location, then you can easily add that site to your location. So from here you can easily enable or disable. If you want to get permission, then choose allow, otherwise don't allow. How to stop location tracking from sites on your Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to stop location tracking from various sites you visit, then here are the process. Open Microsoft Edge browser and here from the top right corner you will find a three horizontal dot. Click on it and choose settings. Thereafter from the top left corner click on three horizontal line and choose cookies and site permissions. Click on it. Here scroll down and scroll down and you will find all permissions under site permissions and here choose location and ask before accessing, turn the toggle button off. Now no sites can track your location. If you want to allow them, then add your particular sites to allow them, and if you want to enable this feature, then turn the toggle button on.